going guys, Cubing Master here, and today we have an unboxing on the channel. The first ever unboxing. The cube is the QiYi Qidi S from QiYi. So this is the box. So let's unbox it. So this is the QiYi Qidi S. This is the bill, I think. So let's unbox this. So this is the cube, and the packaging has changed since the DNA cube of QiYi has come. It's white, yellow and black color packaging. So this is the cube. It's written here, more than a professional speed cube. So let's unbox this. And this is the pamphlet, I think, for solving the cube. Let's look at this. Yes, it is for solving the cube. And hey, this is really good. Here it's written in English and here it's written in Chinese. So that's a really good quality thing. Let's take the puzzle. So this is the cube, and now let's do some first turns. I am having lockups and this is really scratchy. It's really scratchy. I need to tension this to become looser. So the color is this cheese budget cubes, and the stickerless versions have the same kind of coloring, and it has that frosting also. So the colors are exactly the same. So let's check the corner cutting. Corner cutting, it's not so good in this puzzle, but I may have to break it down to become better. So I will break it down and do a few solves, and after doing about 500 solves, I'll put a real review on this cube. Actually, my friend told me about this cube and he told that it's a really good cube. I was going to buy the Yoshi Little Magic M. Not M, Yoshi Little Magic 2x2, and that's also $5, I guess. Or it is for 300 rupees on QiYi and $5 on Speed Cube Shop. So this cube is also good if you break it down. And let's do some solves.
Out of the box,
this cube was not as good as I expected, but still I got pretty decent timings with this. And it had lots of lockups and it was scratchy. And if anyone asks me if they could buy this, I may not recommend this because we need to tension it and we need to set this up before we can use this. But the best budget 2x2 for I think is the Yushin Little Magic 2x2. It's $5 in Speedcube shop and 300 rupees, and I have already told that. But even this cube is really good. You can also buy this cube. If you have this, there is no problem. And this needs breaking in also. So if you break this in, this can become as good as the Yushin Little Magic M. So if you want to buy this cube in Cube Lelo, it is 249 rupees, and in Speedcube shop you can get this cube for $4.95. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram too. Bye.